Now I want to talk a little bit about quality of omega-3. And this is really important. It's a separate talk. We know omega-3s are important. Now, we need to know why Nature Sunshine omega-3. And when it comes to Nature Sunshine, we are a quality company. We've been about quality for over 50 years. We invented the encapsulation of herbs into supplements. So we've been doing it for a long time. We've been manufacturing our own stuff for a long time. We basically created some of the quality regulations that everybody else out there has to follow because we were one of the first ones doing this. Now, why is that important when it comes to omega-3s? More than almost any other product out there. If I go to the store and I buy omega-3s, I may actually be harming my body instead of helping my body. And that's because omega-3s, when they're oxidized, they actually become pro-inflammatory. They become unhealthy. And omega-3 fatty acids are very susceptible to oxidation. If I take catch a fish and leave it sitting for a little while, it smells terrible. Part of the reason for that, there's other reasons, but part of the reason is that those fats are oxidizing very rapidly. If I take omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil or from any other source and leave them open to the air, they're going to oxidize very rapidly. So when I'm manufacturing omega-3 soft gels, I need to be very aware of when that oil is coming in contact with oxygen. And I need to take precautions. We do things like manufacture in environments that do not have oxygen. We use other gases to displace the oxygen to protect our omega-3 oil. When it comes to our specifications, we have things like our TOTOX specification, which is total oxidation amount in the fish oil. And our TOTOX specification is below industry standard. And the reason it is because we want to make sure that your omega-3s are actually going to benefit you. They're going to have those great effects on helping balance inflammation in your body. They're going to have those great effects on joint health, on heart health, on cardiovascular health, on brain health. We want them to be healthy for your body. Nature Sunshine, quality is important. The products actually having the intended benefit is important. We want you to use this product, feel great about it, come back and use it the next day. And our quality makes sure that that's going to